Flights were disrupted at Dubai International Airport on Friday after heavy rain and thunderstorms in the Emirates. The wet weather caused 13 inbound flights to be redirected to other airports, while 6 outbound flights were cancelled, a representative for Dubai Airports said on Friday. The operator advised passengers to use the Dubai Metro, check traffic updates, and give themselves plenty of time to reach Dubai International Airport, in addition to checking for flight updates online. Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority also announced on social media that bus lines across the city have been suspended, including the E315 from Dubai to Sharjah and the E411 from Dubai to Ajman.
Wow.
Dubai police urged motorists traveling on Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road between Al Rashidiyah Bridge and Sharjah to exercise caution and use alternative routes due to flooding in the area. Sharjah City Municipality said it sent 96 tanks, 220 mobile pumps, and 3 high-pumping capacity vehicles to clear flooded areas in the emirate. The city has been divided into sectors to ensure a prompt response, and the municipality's call center will operate around the clock to swiftly handle all reports, authorities said. Water removed from streets and other areas will be emptied in 59 rainwater collection basins that have been established across Sharjah. Parts of the UAE were lashed by heavy rain and thunder on Friday morning. The National Center of Meteorology recorded heavy downpours in Abu Dhabi, Al Ain, Dubai, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, Sharjah, and Ajman in updates posted to social media. There was heavy rain, thunderstorms, and lightning in parts of Dubai from 5 a.m. on Friday. The Weather Bureau issued an orange and yellow alert for the northern Emirates, warning residents of heavy rain, thunder, and strong winds. Conditions are expected to settle by noon. The RTA also issued a flood warning after rain accumulated around Sheikh Zayed Road on Friday morning. Motorists were urged to take alternative routes. It has also joined forces with Dubai Police, Dubai Municipality, and Nakheel to clear the roads of damage caused by the rainfall and restore traffic flows in the emirate. Dubai Municipality has asked residents to report flooded areas using its dedicated WhatsApp number, 800,900, or the authorities' mobile app. Dubai school operator KHDA also issued a warning on social media on Friday morning urging schools and parents to be flexible for children, students, and staff during the wet conditions. In times of rain, it's important to be flexible. Schools and parents can decide what's best for their children, students, and staff. Take care if you're on the road today, KHDA wrote on X. Dubai Airshow 2023, which is taking place this week at Al Maktoum International Airport, will be going ahead as planned, including the flying display, organizers announced on Thursday. This came as Dubai police issued a rare emergency alert to residents' phones, urging motorists to be cautious and to steer clear of flood-prone areas. The government on Thursday urged the private sector to allow flexible working on Friday. A number of schools and nurseries are expected to be closed.